some good nutrition. Kids don't care about cost control. There's growling tummies in the classrooms. Gingrich tossed the kids a bone. Hey! Gingrich! Leave their lunch alone! All they need is just a bag of chips and a dog. Need some good nutrition. Kids don't care about cost control. There's growling tummies in the classrooms. Gingrich tossed the kids a bone. Hey! Gingrich! Leave their lunch alone! All they need is just a bag of chips and a dog. All they want is just a piece of pizza, that's all.
We're not here for education. We just like the sloppy joes. No gourmet dining in our lunchrooms. Mommy burns the food at home. Hey, Gingrich, leave our lunch alone. All we know is
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again. Because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping. And the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of a street lamp. I turned my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share. one did disturb the sound of silence. Fool, said I, you do not know. Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you. Take my arms that I might